Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to express my respect and gratitude for the opportunity to present my research. My name is Roni Sandra. I am from student of Automotive Department at Padang State University. Here I am as a presenter Borobudur International Symposium 2025 with the title of the research development of interactive practice-based model to enhance learning outcome. Background. Number 1. Lack of skill student in useful practice listed on moment activity practice, material maintenance system, material combustion, ignition and cooler. Number 2. Not yet existent teaching material in the form of modules that contain useful practice system, material combustion, ignition and cooler at SMKN 110 Kota di atas. Not yet found utilizing digital technology in development teaching material that contain useful practice system, material combustion, ignition and cooler at SMKN 110 Kota di atas. Formulation of the problem. Number 1. What are the steps of development process of an interactive module based on the less practical tools to improve student learning outcome in the PMKR subject at SMKN 110 Kota di atas. Number 2. How feasible is the interactive model based on the less practical tools to improve student learning outcome in the PMKR subject at SMKN 110 Kota di atas. What are the results of the practical test of the interactive module on the system maintenance material, material fuel, ignition and cooling. Research purpose. Number 1. To describe the state of the interactive module development process based on the less practical tools to improve student learning outcome in the PMKR subject at SMKN 110 Kota di atas. Number 2. Testing the feasibility of any interactive module based on the less practical tools to improve student learning outcome in the PMKR subject at SMKN 110 Kota di atas. Number 3. Verifying the result of the practicality test of the interactive module based on the less practical tools to improve student learning outcome in the PMKR subject at SMKN 110 Kota di atas. Product specification. Number 1. Interactive module created using Canva app. Number 2. Interactive module on the use of the less practical tools in the material system maintenance, material combustion, ignition and cooling. Number 3. Learning outcome are the students are able to improve their ability to master practical tools. Number 4. The interactive module is equipped with material, video tutorial on how to use the tools, and images that are tailored to the material being studied. Number 5. Module interactive can accessibility user computer, laptop, and smartphone. Number 6. Module interactive as teaching material for teacher. Number 7. Module interactive as short study for student. Theoretical review. Number 1. Module course of print and interactive. Number 2. PMKR. Number 3. Material system combustion, ignition and cooler. Last, Canva. Research method. This type of research in the research and development, according to Sugiono 2000 R&D research is a research method used to design, product, and test the success of a product. The research subject consists of student kelas 11 of SMKN 110 Koto di atas. Development procedure. Number 1. Define course of observation analysis, learning analysis, concept analysis, and design. Select topic of material, media and tool selection, format selection, production and editing, initial design. Development, validation test, valid and revision. Practicality test, valid and revision. Disseminate development. Result. Number 1. Define or definition. Or step yearly don't analyze need a step preparation in the development process module based on the result observation model in the renal process in class October 25, 2024. It is now that learning style use method, lecture and practice direct in accordance with teacher introduction. When activity practical or student unlock experience constraint because not yet available good practice that can they make it lesson requires learning that can support the learning process good in aspect theory and practice at SMKN 110 Koto di atas. By because that research is focus on development module design PMKR learning based on syllabus curriculum independence. Present module expected and support students in understand material theory and practice. At the same time, help the rest target competition so that the learning process can ongoing in a way maximum in accordance with curriculum independent. Number 2. Design or planning. Number 3. Develop or development. Distribution, result, validation, expert material. In aspect, number of grant, score distribution. Based on the overall material assessment criteria with a score of 3.75 in research, the predicate of very worthy. The overall media assessment criteria with of score 3.24 is receiver of predict of work. Number 4. Decimates or spread. Distribution validasi material by user. Score result validation by user. The overall user assessment criteria with a score 3.167 it received the predict of the very word. Result data student. Number 1. Fahari Anugrah Pratama prior value 66 after value 18 percentage increase 29. Number 2. Fajri Gustian prior value 16x after value 92 percentage increase 3.5 and the table shows an average student score of 18.8. This means the student score is good, with the highest score being 19.2 and the lowest being 18. All students achieved score above the minimum competency KKM or KKM. Therefore, interactive model based in the less practical tools can improve student learning outcome. Next, discussion. In this study, the product developed was an interactive learning model for the PMKR subject. The model was developed in the response to a problem research encountered in the PMKR learning process at SMKN 110 Koto di atas, namely the lack of teaching material that support student independent learning. Study this using the proposed 4D development model BT Tiagarajan, which consists of from 4 statements: define, design, develop, and disseminate. Next, on define stack research, do a number of analysis including analysis need to model interactive. Characteristic participant educates. A6 assessment main point. Concept material. As we all formulate objective learning. Then in the design stack, researcher stack compile design beginning module interactive. This process compare manufacturing standard evaluation, selection of learning media, determination of presentation format, and initial drafting module. Stack next is developed, where research do validation to instruments that will use it for evaluate module. After that, research continue with validation content module by media expert material, and candidate user. Result from validation is in form of evaluation track, questionnaire used for level eligibility module based on characteristic module, and the media used to be appropriate with objective development. Stack final is disseminated. On stack is the model that has been struck the revision process in accordance with input from for expert and user spread in from PDF4 and that over to subject teacher lesson as PMK teaching material for student class 11 SMKN 110 Kota di atas. Next, based on the user trial result, the material validation obtained an average score of 3.65, which is within the feasibility rank of 3.26 or to 4.00 and fell into the very feasible category. Meanwhile, the media validation obtained of score of 3.25, also within the same interval and fell into the very feasible category. Based on this data analysis, it can be concluded that the validation result from expert and user of the PMKR learning module indicate that the module is categorized as very feasible. The interactive module based on the less practice tool has a very decent feasible value from the assessment of material expert. The interactive module based on the less practice tool have a very decent feasibility value from the assessment of interactive module user based on the less tool. The average student score is in the good category, resulting in an increase in student learning outcome. The result of study provide a very decent assessment. Therefore, the interactive module based on the less practice tool can improve student learning outcome well. Suggestion. Number 1. Student of SMKN 110 Kota di atas develop a greater interest in learning, so that they can improve student learning outcome, especially in the PMKR subject at SMKN 110 Kota di atas. Number 2. Teachers are expected to use this research as input for their teaching. One approach is to use interactive model based on the less practical tools. Research findings indicate that interactive model can improve student learning outcome. Number 3. Research hope that this research can be used reference material and also to research the continuation of the research which is useful for conducting more relevant research, as well as to find out how to improve student learning outcome by using interactive model based on the less practical tools. Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you for attention. I apologize for any mistake or shortcoming. Thank you once again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.